Hello, meow. How are you, meow? Okay, meow? Yeah, meow? How you want to come down? You come down or not? Meow, meow? Yes? Yes? Anything? Hello, hello. This is called Angel, my baby cat. Meow. Meow, meow. Oh, beautiful, huh? I decided to do a simple video. I got a student that is actually asking me this question to teach in Mandarin. So this video is going to be a very interesting video teaching you all a little bit of Mandarin about this student of mine. Her name is Manpreet. So Manpreet, this video is for you. I'll be teaching you how do you speak certain words that you have given me, and I will guide you step by step. Yes, meow. This is another pet of mine. This is Tiger. Tiger. Meow. Meow. Tiger. You baby cat. You manja. You manja. Ah, that this is Angel. Angel is coming over my baby, Larissa. Hello, Angel. How are you? This Tiger. Blah. Blah lah. Hey. 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 Meow. Wee. Ta-da. Meow. Meow meow. You're teaching in a Chinese school, right? Or you're teaching in a school where there's Chinese student, right? Okay. The first one here is actually you wrote down here is actually sit down, right? So sit down in Mandarin is called 坐下,坐下. Okay, you can. I think I'll put caption somewhere. You can also see 坐下. Okay, 坐下 is sit down because 坐 is sit, down is 下, so 坐下. Okay, okay, stand up in Mandarin is called 站起来,站起来. Then you say the chicken are really making so much of noise. Hey. Okay, okay. So it's 站起来 because 站 is stand, 起来 is like wake up, 起来. Okay, so 站起来. Okay, then the next one is come here. You wrote down here, right? Come here. Okay, so come here in Mandarin is called 过来这里,过来这里. Okay, 过来 means come over. 这里 is here. So 过来这里. Okay, 过来这里. Right. Yes, meow. All okay with you? This is my meow here, sitting down here. Okay. All right, then the next one is go there. Okay, go there in Mandarin is called 去那里,去那里. Okay, you see the first word 去, right? Remember I taught you the principle of the kissing technique. Okay, Q sounds like CH. Okay, so you remember 去, right? So Q sounds like CH. So if you see QU, switch it to QI. So chi, choose, maintain your mouth like that, and then you pronounce QI again. Chi, chi, choose, chi. That's how you do it. Okay. So 去哪里, then go there. Okay, eat your food. Okay, eat your food in Mandarin is called 吃你的食物. Go slow. 吃你的食物. 吃 eat, this one you know. 吃你的 yours, 你的 yours. Okay. 食物 is 食物 is food. 食物 SHI. 食物. 食 your mouth must be like this. 食 SHI. 食物. The next one will be, what is this? Is your food yummy? Okay, is your food yummy? It's called 你的食物好吃吗?你的食物好吃吗? Okay, so 你的 yours. 食物 you know already. 食物好吃 nice to eat. How is nice? 吃 eat. 吗 question. So 你的食物好吃吗? Very very easy. Okay, 你的食物好吃吗? Just remember the 食. Be careful, you don't end up telling 食物, 食物. Okay, not 食物, 食物. How was your day? How was your day in Mandarin is called 你今天 过得怎么样？You want to put in also can. One more time 你今天过得怎么样啊？Okay, let's go slow. 你 you 今天 today 过得 is like passing by lah, passing. Okay, 过 is pass. 过得怎么样 is how, but how in a concerned manner. 怎么样 is very powerful. If you want to ask, hey, how are you doing? How are you doing? You use this 怎么样. How are you doing today? 你今天怎么样? So you want to tell how was your day. So 你今天过得怎么样 is just like okay? Very easy, okay? So if you ask naturally, you just ask 你今天过得怎么样 That's how it works, okay? What did you learn today? Yes, meow. We'll go for a walk, okay? Sit on my car lah, easy. Okay. What did you learn today? Okay. 今天你学会了什么？今天你学会了什么？ Go slow. 今天 today. 你 you 学会了 past tense. 什么 what? 呢 is like is the comes in, there's no meaning in but it's just that when you use query words, you will use okay? So 今天你学会了什么? Alright, done, okay. The next one is go to toilet. Go to the toilet. Very easy. Go is chi. Chi. Remember QU? Chi. Chi. Choose. Chi. Okay. Chi. Che. Swa. Che. Swa. Che. C. The pronounce toilet C you must pronounce with a CH. Che. Swa. Okay. Don't tell chi shwa. Chi shwa. That's wrong. Okay. If you need help, ask. Ooh, how do you do this? Okay. Slow. So ask, okay, 如果 okay, I tell the whole thing 如果你需要帮忙可以问老师 what is this? Very long. Okay, slow 如果你需要帮忙可以问老师 Okay, what is this? Okay, let's go slow 如果 if 你 you 需要 is like need 帮忙 help 可以 can 问 ask 老师 teacher. Okay, but the one that you have to pay attention here is actually the 需要. Okay, 需要 is need, but if you see down there in the pinging I put in the video it's called XU. So if you see XU, this is how you do it. Okay, if you see XU, you pronounce X sounds like SH. You can switch it to EE, so you say SHEE. Pronounce the choose method. She choose. She. When you pronounce the word choose, your mouth will be like this. And then you pronounce SHEE. So you say she choose. She choose she. So you say 需要. 需要 is need, perlu. Okay? Put here lah, put on the car. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay. So beautiful the sky. I heard the sky. Ooh, very nice. Last time used to be garden here, Last time, see the meow there. Hello, meow. Meow, meow. Yes, tiger. What are you doing? Hello, tiger. Yes. Careful crossing the road. Hello, hello. Go, 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 go. Hello, hello. Go, go, go. Go inside. So, 如果 is if 你 you 需要 need 帮忙 help 可以 can 问 ask 老师 teacher. 如果你需要帮忙可以问老师. Okay, next one. You are too loud. Use inside voice. What inside voice lah this one? Use your inner voice. What is this lah? What's going on? Okay. If you're speaking too loud, speak softly. That one I can understand lah. Okay. Follow me 你讲话太大声了. Okay, 小声一点，小声一点。That one okay. Okay, let's go slow. 你 you 讲话 talking. 讲 is talk. 讲话 talking. You talking, okay? Or speak 啦，讲话。太 Okay, you see Thai and le. If you see Thai, 大声 le, the Thai and the le is one set. So Thai is actually called tu. In Malay, it's called terlalu. So Thai and le. So in the middle, you put an adjective, which is called 大声. 大声 is loud. Because if you take out ta opposite of ta is 小, 小 small. So if 大声 is big, 小声 is soft. I mean, 大声 louder, softer is called 小声. Okay, 声 is sound. So 太大声了 is too loud. Okay, so can you see 小声 小声 is softer. 小声一点 a little. Okay, hello, my neighbor. Okay, so 如果 where is he? Where are you? Okay, so 如果不高哎 OK 你讲话太大声了，小声一点。Easy, right? So 大声 is loud, 小声 is soft. So you package it with tai and le. Tai and le is a Mandarin particle. You use it for tu. Okay, tai adjective le. That's how the whole thing works. Beta level I'll be teaching this. Then speak louder. That's very easy. Okay, speak is called 说, or you can even tell 讲, because 说 is speak, 讲 is talk. So you decide. Okay, so because 说 is more formal, so you can use 讲 also if you want. Okay, so 说大声点. You can tell 说大声一点, or you can even tell 说大声点. Okay, both also same lah. It's like a little and little, same only. Okay, next one will be repeat louder. Okay, what is louder? You know already. 大声, no problem. 大声。重复，重复 is repeat. So 重复，大声重复。Wow, oh my hand paining lah. Okay, 大声重复，大声重复。跟着我读 repeat after me. This is, if you repeat after me means, okay, we see this repeat after me in terms of reading. So the behind is 读, this one you know already, right? So you say 跟着 is like follow, because 跟 is like with or dengan, with, okay? So 跟着 is like a package lah together. So 跟着我读. So 跟着 is follow, or you can tell after lah, okay? It's like follow lah, 跟着我 is me, and then 读 is read. 跟着我读，跟着我读。If you want to tell follow me to speak, 跟着我讲，跟着我讲。Okay? 跟着我讲听。What else? 跟着我讲，跟着我听。I can 啦，跟着我 whatever word want to put behind also can. So you decide. Okay. Then the next one will be student. Do you have any question? This one my teacher decided to give something extra for you lah. So student, do you have any question? Okay. So student, what is student? My hand's shaking. This one no stabilizer. This one just a small selfie stick only. Okay, holding. You don't mind, selfie sticks. Okay. Ooh, never mind. Microphone cantik. Okay. There's one more microphone. They say DJI. DJI microphone better. See lah. Got time. I want to buy one there. I think that'll be better. The only thing about DJI microphone is you can hide it. You can hide it somewhere, and there's a magnet, so you cannot see the microphone. You can hide it, and there's no light. This one all can very funny, this one. Okay. Okay, student, do you have any question? Okay, remember, students. Okay, you say 同学们. Remember, T sounds like TH, so 同学们有问题吗？有问题吗？ That's it. So 同学们 is like students, it's like students kalian. Okay, it's like you're calling for everybody lah. Okay, 同学们 okay, 有 is have, 问题 question. This one I think you learn already, alpha level 1. 有 have, 问题 is question, no, sorry, 问题 is question, is to ask a question. Okay, so 同学们有问题吗？ Interesting. how's my video? Comment, did you learn anything? Okay, bye. 谢谢